Preparing for the Red Seal Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technician exam, a comprehensive guide. If you're gearing up for the Red Seal Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technician exam, you're taking a significant step toward earning your Certificate of Qualification. This certification, recognized across Canada, allows you to work as a skilled professional in the HVAC-R, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration industry. In some provinces, this trade is also referred to as the HVAC Systems Technician. In this talk, we'll dive into what you need to know to succeed in your Red Seal Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technician exam, including a detailed overview of the study topics, exam preparation strategies, common misconceptions, and more. Understanding the Red Seal Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technician exam. The Red Seal exam is standardized across Canada, with provincial variations that may label the trade differently. In Ontario, for instance, the trade is divided into two designations: 313A, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Systems Mechanic, and 313D, Residential Air Conditioning Systems Mechanic. Regardless of these variations, the core competencies remain the same, and the Red Seal endorsement ensures your skills are transferable across provinces. In some regions, HVAC-R technicians and refrigeration and air conditioning technicians are considered synonymous. Whether your job title reads HVAC technician or refrigeration and air conditioning technician, you're essentially performing the same functions, working with cooling and heating systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Exam structure, key areas of study. The Red Seal exam for refrigeration and air conditioning technicians covers a broad range of subjects. Here are the main sections you'll need to master. Safety and regulations, workplace hazardous materials, information system, occupational health and safety regulations, lockout and tagout procedures, handling and disposal of hazardous materials, refrigeration principles, thermodynamics and heat transfer, types of refrigerants and coolants, pressure enthalpy diagrams, system troubleshooting and diagnostics, system components, compressors, condensers, evaporators, expansion valves, electrical components and controls, piping and fittings, installation, maintenance and repair, system design and layout, refrigerant charging and recovery, preventative maintenance, leak detection methods, HVAC systems and controls, airflow and ventilation principles, heating systems, control systems and automation, chemistry and materials, properties of gases and liquids, material compatibility, corrosion prevention, major areas of emphasis. Certain topics carry more weight in the exam and should be prioritized. Safety procedures, health and safety regulations, WHCMIS, and lockout procedures are critical to the trade and the exam. You'll need a thorough understanding of safety protocols to avoid hazards when working with refrigerants and electrical systems. Refrigerants and coolants. Knowing the chemical properties, environmental impacts, and legal regulations of different refrigerants is essential. This includes understanding the phase-out of older refrigerants like R22 and newer alternatives. System troubleshooting, the ability to diagnose and fix common issues in refrigeration and air conditioning systems, is a vital skill tested in the exam. Exam preparation strategies. Preparing for the Red Seal exam requires a structured approach. Here are some strategies to help you succeed. Study notes. Organize your study materials by breaking down each major section. Focus on the learning objectives outlined in the Red Seal standard for refrigeration and air conditioning technicians. Practice exam questions. Access exam banks with sample questions and answers to get a feel for the exam format. These practice questions can highlight areas where you need improvement. Flashcards. Use flashcards for quick memorization of key terms, safety procedures, and system components. These can be especially helpful for reviewing during breaks. Mock exams. Simulate the exam environment by timing yourself and answering questions in one sitting. This practice builds your test-taking stamina and helps reduce anxiety on exam day. So, common misconceptions and pitfalls. Students often fall into a few traps while preparing for the exam, focusing too much on practical skills. While hands-on experience is essential, the exam is theory-heavy. Make sure you understand the principles behind what you're doing in the field. Neglecting safety and regulations. Safety isn't just common sense, it's a significant part of the exam. Overlooking regulations, lockout procedures, and WHMIS could cost you valuable marks. Rushing through chemistry and thermodynamics. These topics can be challenging, but are crucial for understanding how refrigeration systems work. Take the time to grasp the fundamentals. Achieving your Certificate of Qualification, successfully passing the Red Seal Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technician exam is the final step toward earning your Certificate of Qualification. This certification not only validates your skills, but also opens doors to better job opportunities and higher wages. By following a focused study plan and thoroughly understanding the exam requirements, you can confidently approach your Red Seal Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technician exam. Good luck on your journey to becoming a certified HVAC-R professional.